video about the effects of technology on the environment. From my point of view, I consider that environmental problems, poverty, land degradation, population growth, economic growth, and industrialization have been the cause of many changes in nature. If humanity does not correct these bad habits in the use of energy, water resources, the use and abuse of pesticides, the non-classification of garbage, solid waste and chemical substances, we will see devastating consequences to this type of aggressions constant to the environment. Man, even we try has read the natural cycles of the planet he inhabits, and has broken its ecological balance. Pollution directly attacks human health. Water draws water on air. The conservation of life on here requires the efforts of all humanity and of each person. One of the problems related to the environment and that currently worries humanity is the change in global climate, the increase in temperatures and its consequences of different forms of life. The United Nations recommends taking action soon as environmental education to contribute to sustainable development and the preservation of natural resources. It is a responsibility of scientists we prepare to participate of decision making for a better future. United war more. It is our hands and yours to ensure the future generations and those of your own sons and daughters. So it's appropriate to quote a few words from Victor Hugo, who says, "It produces an immense sadness to think that nature speaks while the making does not listen to it."